All right, so today we have something that is very interesting. I think it's not really something you're going to see maybe on most other channels. Today we've got deli food from Walmart, which is so we've got Walmart has its own popcorn chicken. I really love it. And then this is new to me. This is it doesn't say it on the bag, but this is their mozzarella cheese bites. So basically it's like mozzarella sticks, but they're bites. So, and then I got Dr. Pepper here. So I'll start with the popcorn chicken. Popcorn chicken is what I'm really familiar with. This stuff is just amazing. It tastes amazing. Whether or not you want to call it chicken is up to you, but it doesn't take away from the fact that it tastes great. This stuff is literally so good. I would literally eat this too fast most of the time. I'd like pace myself and slow the hell down, because like it's just another thing where it's so good that if I really start to eat it, I will not be able to stop myself until it's all gone. And so much I love it. And I got this fresh too. This was made fresh at 11:30. And so, and it's like 11:50 or noon right now. So, I'm probably gonna have like a pretty big burp at the end of this video, so prepare yourself. I don't know how they make such a good, fucking damn good chicken. But like I said before, maybe it doesn't really qualify as chicken. It looks like chicken though. I mean, the first ingredient is chicken breast with rib meat. So, yeah. Well, of course, this entire small container is 500 calories. But there's only, what is that? There's only 6 ounces of chicken in here. So, 6 ounces of popcorn chicken comes out to 500 calories, which is insane. But whatever. It's good. Let's look at the nutrition facts on this bitch. So per container is 30 grams of fat, which is 38% of your total daily value. It has 75 milligrams of cholesterol, which is 25% of your daily value. 1,600 milligrams of sodium, which is 70% of the daily value. It has 31 grams of carbs, which is 11%, and 24 grams of protein. It has calcium, iron, and potassium as well. Look at this one, it's like 3-in-1. Man, I'm gonna be sweating after I finish eating this. Oh man, I'm already crying because it tastes so damn good. empty. Oh man, that's good. Oh gosh, that was a big one. All right, so this bitch right here is completely new to me. Not completely new. So these are, so I don't know if you guys can see in there at all, but these are, so Walmart used to sell mozzarella sticks, and they were like big. They were pretty big. Now, instead of mozzarella sticks, they have these things, which are mozzarella bites. The guy told me that it's the same cheese, the same kind of mozzarella, but apparently it's a different breading. So these are more or less completely new to me. So we're going to try them. I'm going to hope that they don't fall into the thing that a lot of other mozzarella sticks fall into, which is that the breading completely overpowers the cheese. One of the things that I've slowly noticed about mozzarella sticks and just mozzarella cheese in general, it seems like when the mozzarella sticks are overcooked or cooked for too long, like the point where the cheese is like spilling out of the breading, the cheese doesn't have as much flavor. And those are always the ones where it seems like the breading is overpowering the cheese. And I think it's because if you cook mozzarella for too long, that somehow causes it to lose a lot of its flavor. And look at that, it's not really stretching or pulling. That's what the cheese looks like on the inside. And I can tell that these are definitely overcooked. Because the cheese is like fairly like hard, I guess. It won't even stretch. It won't even pull. So I think that places need to start using stronger cheeses, like cheeses that have a stronger flavor when cooked, instead of mozzarella. That way, whenever it gets like overcooked, because a lot of places really overcook their mozzarella sticks, you don't lose the cheese flavor. But that's what happens with 99% of all mozzarella sticks, is that they lose the flavor because they get cooked for too long. Still good. I'm still eating it, as you can see. I mean, this is only $1.27. Wasn't even $1.50 to get all these cheese bites. So And so, what was I saying? Right. This is only $1.27, so not even $1.50 for all these cheese bites. It doesn't display its nutrition information on the receipt anywhere. It does show ingredients, but it does not. It does not show. Does not show nutrition information anywhere. So these are probably just as many calories as the popcorn chicken was, honestly. So, with that being said, hopefully I shouldn't be hungry after this. But we can only hope. Oh man, these gotta be burping so much. Look at that. This is the cheese. You can see how like yellow it is. That's proof that it's either not really mozzarella or that it is so severely overcooked that they got it to change color from being white to yellow. Now, of course, I guess I don't know exactly what kind of mozzarella it could be because there's a bunch of different kinds. One thing. There's the bits that like ooze out and get on like the outside part of the breading. And those things are hard. Those things are like straight up crunchy. Just little pieces of like super fried cheese. If you're wondering about my outfit, I just didn't have any clean jeans or shorts, so I had to wear some of my khakis to school today. So the drip is not on point today, but that's okay. After this, I'm gonna go inside of our design lab, work on some homework, and then I'm gonna head home, relax for a little bit, and then work on more homework tonight. For my advanced lighting design class, we actually had an assignment that was supposed to be due tonight. It was a script analysis assignment. It was supposed to be a script analysis assignment. But all of us students agreed that it's kind of really difficult for us to complete it. For us to have it turned in tonight because the script is huge. And the way that we're supposed to analyze the script is kind of complicated. And so some of the students in my lighting course basically bullied our professor into extending the deadline to Friday at midnight. So I get an extra 2 days to work on it, which is awesome. So now I can work on some other assignments in the meantime before that one. And so, it should be awesome. So, almost done. We've only got 2 more cheese bites. I'm hot. It's a hot day. Even though I've got the air conditioner on right now, you guys probably can't hear it very well. But man, it was probably not a good day to wear black pants, but I didn't really have a choice. I can't come to school in my underwear, so you know. And some of the bites are really good, and some of the bites are not very good. And that last one was not very good. I think I'm liking the bites more with the ones that like I like rip the breading off and then I just eat like the cheese. I feel like those ones are more satisfying. All right, here is the last one. We're gonna see how good it is. Maybe the last one is the best one. This one has a lot of cheese in it. I like that. That must be what it is. Biting into the cheese, not the mozzarella, not the breading, made the entire thing more satisfying and more delicious. Biting into the cheese, actually sinking my teeth into the cheese first without going through the breading first was good. That's probably the reason why people like cheese sticks. Like string cheese. God, I love me some string cheese. I'll definitely eat some string cheese for you all soon, but that shit's amazing. But yeah, this was really good. Ooh, it's a long video. Sorry, I guess it's because that's what I get for eating 2 things. All right. So, ooh, let me catch my breath. Oh, I'm all sweaty after eating that. My hands are all clammy and stuff. Okay. If you, and no, let me start over. This food was not suggested by anyone, but if you would like to see me eat a food of your choice, then please leave it down in the comment section below, and I promise I will eat it as soon as I can. If you enjoyed this video, then please remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel to see more content just like this in the future. Whenever you all do that for me, it helps me stay motivated to make more content for you all in the future. Once again, thank you all for watching. Until next time, bye!